Happy New Year! Was 2022 the year of the buyer? I'm David Stark and welcome to a special edition of the East Bay Real Estate Weather Report. Looking back at 2022, buyers flexed their muscles in some surprising ways. We'll get into that in a moment. Let's talk about sellers first. During 2022, sellers decided it was time to move. More homes in the market reversed a 2-year trend of declining inventory and helped set the stage for some big changes. A big change was sales prices. Prices for single-family detached homes started dropping during May and didn't stop. However, compared with the last 5 years, prices were still out of reach for many buyers. So, was 2022 really a buyer's market? Even with a lot more choices and falling prices, buyers didn't seem interested or couldn't take advantage of changing market conditions. Homes sat on the market longer and longer as the year went on. By December, days on market had almost doubled. As interest rates began rising during the spring, the number of buyers making offers started to drop. Can you see where this is going? 2022 wasn't really a buyer's market because even with more homes on the market, sales were down. A combination of rising interest rates and shrinking stock portfolios drove buyers out of East Bay real estate markets during the spring, summer, and fall. Home sales during 2022 were at a 5-year low, a major change from 2021 when low interest rates and pent-up demand during the COVID crisis pushed sales to record levels. To be clear, real estate activity in the East Bay did not completely collapse during 2022, and buyers did exercise some power by taking longer to make offers or even staying out of the market. What's 2023 going to look like? Mortgage interest rates will be a factor, as will the status of the tech sector in the Bay Area economy. Look for more balance between buyers and sellers, too. We'll see you next month.